How you guys doing? So I'm playing a game and I can video edit at the same time. Here are the specs for the games. I have it on medium settings, about 80 FPS, and as you can see, I'm using VIO, VEEDIO. I can edit a video on 8 gigs of RAM while playing my game, and I got like a bunch of tabs open. Like it's video editor, and I'm saying this because I normally cannot run on 8 gigs of RAM a video editor in my game. I can't do it. It doesn't run. I need an online video editor, and it's free too. But it leaves a watermark. It's pretty annoying. But you can see, I got the sound editing, video editing. I've done a bunch of clips. Anyone's interested in video editing while playing a game, and they have a budget setup, like 8 gigs of RAM. You probably want this one. You probably want a free online video editor so you can do both. It's just really useful because I can do two things at once, and that's just really nice. It's convenient, and it doesn't cost me anything. And my computer's not overheating, and there is no crash. Like I've been doing this for like 5 videos, and I have not crashed once. Let me show you my YouTube. I'll show you all the videos I've uploaded. I'm gonna go back to my game. So it's running. It's not the game that's running AFK away from my keyboard. That's what AFK means. Isn't lagging. It isn't being destroyed. I'm doing a 2 second cast for cooking. It's a skill, and it's doing it without problems. And you can see the meter in the middle of the screen every 2 seconds. Actually, it's not 2 seconds. Like every 1.5 seconds, it's running. It's running, running, running. And I just ran out of ingredients, so I'm getting more. So I can move from my house where I cook to the storage, and you can see no lag, no freezing, no crashes, and I still have the online view editor. That's VIO, and it's just really useful. So the game I'm playing is Black Desert Online, and as you can see, I can quickly move between tabs and get things done. And I think it's just a really good perk. I just want to share with you because it's just really nice to be able to play my game and make video edits at the same time. And well, that's the entire video. Please think about downloading a free video editor online. That's not a downloadable program, so you can video edit while playing your favorite game. This might work during League of Legends, might work during an MMO. It might just work. I don't know. It's just useful. I just think it's awesome because I can do two things at once. Or even if you just want to keep your game on for chat, this is an alternative. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.